Have you ever found yourself frustrated by slow internet speeds? Whether you're streaming a movie, joining a video call, or simply browsing the web, a sluggish connection can ruin your experience. In this video, we'll explore the most common reasons why your internet might be slow and provide practical solutions to help you get back up to speed. We'll break down technical jargon, offer step-by-step fixes, and help you understand what might be happening behind the scenes. Let's dive in and get your internet running smoothly again. Before we tackle the causes of slow internet, it's important to understand what internet speed actually means. Internet speed is typically measured in megabits per second, or Mbps, and it determines how quickly data can be downloaded or uploaded from the internet. Download speed affects how fast you can stream videos or load web pages, while upload speed impacts activities like sending emails or uploading files. Knowing your current speed can help you identify if there's a real problem or if your plan simply isn't fast enough for your needs. The first step in diagnosing slow internet is to test your current speed. There are many free online tools that can measure your download and upload speeds in just a few seconds. Simply search for Internet Speed Test and follow the instructions. Compare the results to the speeds promised by your internet service provider. If your actual speed is much lower than what you're paying for, it could indicate a problem with your connection or equipment. There are several reasons why your internet might be running slowly. Some of the most common causes include network congestion, outdated equipment, interference from other devices, or issues with your internet service provider. Sometimes, the problem is as simple as too many devices connected at once, all competing for bandwidth. Understanding these potential causes can help you pinpoint the exact issue and find the right solution. Network congestion happens when too many people are using the internet at the same time, especially during peak hours. This can slow down your connection, even if your equipment is working perfectly. Think of it like traffic on a busy highway. When everyone tries to use the same road at once, everything slows down. If you notice your internet is slower in the evenings or on weekends, network congestion could be the culprit. Another common reason for slow internet is outdated equipment. Routers and modems can become less effective over time, especially as technology advances. If your devices are several years old, they may not support the latest speeds or security standards. Upgrading to a newer model can often make a noticeable difference in your internet performance. Wi-Fi signals can be disrupted by physical obstacles like walls, floors, and even large appliances. Other electronic devices, such as microwaves or cordless phones, can also interfere with your wireless signal. If your internet is slow in certain rooms or at certain times, interference might be to blame. Try moving your router to a more central location or away from other electronics. In today's connected world, it's common to have multiple devices using the same internet connection: smartphones, laptops, tablets, smart TVs, and more. Each device takes up a portion of your available bandwidth. If too many devices are online at once, your speed can drop significantly. Consider disconnecting devices that aren't in use or limiting high bandwidth activities like streaming and gaming during busy times. Sometimes, the problem isn't on your end at all. Your internet service provider, ISP, might be experiencing technical difficulties, maintenance, or outages in your area. If you've tried all the basic fixes and your speed is still slow, check your ISP's website or contact their support team to see if there are any known issues affecting your service. If you suspect your ISP is having problems, there are a few ways to check. Many providers have outage maps or status pages on their websites. You can also search social media for reports from other users in your area. If an outage is confirmed, there's not much you can do except wait for the provider to resolve the issue. One of the simplest and most effective fixes for slow internet is to restart your router. Just unplug it from the power source, wait about 30 seconds, and plug it back in. This can clear temporary glitches and refresh your connection, often resulting in a noticeable speed boost. Loose or damaged cables can also cause slow or unstable internet connections. Make sure all cables are securely plugged in and inspect them for any visible damage. If you notice frayed wires or bent connectors, replacing the cable could solve your problem. Just like your computer or smartphone, your router has software that needs to be updated from time to time. Outdated firmware can lead to performance issues and security vulnerabilities. Check your router manufacturer's website for instructions on how to update your device to the latest version. The location of your router can have a big impact on your Wi-Fi speed and coverage. Place your router in a central, open area of your home, away from thick walls and electronic devices that could cause interference. Elevating the router on a shelf or table can also help distribute the signal more evenly. Wi-Fi routers operate on different channels, and sometimes interference from neighboring networks can slow you down. Access your router settings and try switching to a less crowded channel. This can reduce interference and improve your internet speed, especially in apartment buildings or densely populated areas. While Wi-Fi is convenient, wired connections using Ethernet cables are generally faster and more stable. If possible, connect your computer or gaming console directly to the router with a cable. This can eliminate wireless interference and provide the best possible speed for important tasks. Streaming high-definition videos, online gaming, and large downloads can use up a lot of bandwidth. If multiple people are doing these activities at once, your internet speed can suffer. Try scheduling heavy usage for off-peak times or limiting these activities when you need faster speeds for work or school. Sometimes, apps or devices on your network are using bandwidth without you realizing it. Automatic updates, cloud backups, or background downloads can all slow down your connection. Check your devices for any apps running in the background and pause or schedule updates for times when you're not using the internet heavily. Malware or viruses on your devices can also slow down your internet by using your connection for malicious activities. Run a full scan with a trusted antivirus program to make sure your devices are clean. Keeping your software up to date can also help protect against new threats. If you consistently need more speed than your current plan provides, it might be time to upgrade. Contact your ISP to see what faster options are available in your area. Sometimes, a small increase in speed can make a big difference, especially for households with many connected devices. Some internet plans have data caps, which limit how much data you can use each month. If you exceed your cap, your ISP may slow down your connection until the next billing cycle. Review your plan details and monitor your data usage to avoid unexpected slowdowns. Many modern routers offer a feature called Quality of Service, or QoS. This allows you to prioritize certain types of traffic, like video calls or gaming, over others. By setting up QoS, you can ensure that important activities get the bandwidth they need even when your network is busy. If your Wi-Fi signal is weak in certain parts of your home, you might experience slow speeds or dropped connections. Consider using Wi-Fi extenders or mesh systems to boost your signal and ensure consistent coverage throughout your space. An unsecured Wi-Fi network can allow unauthorized users to connect and use your bandwidth, slowing down your internet. Make sure your network is protected with a strong password and consider changing it regularly to keep your connection safe. If you suspect someone else is using your Wi-Fi without permission, log into your router's admin page and review the list of connected devices. If you see unfamiliar devices, change your Wi-Fi password immediately and reconnect only your trusted devices. Sometimes, your computer's network drivers can become outdated, leading to connectivity issues. Check for updates to your device's network adapter drivers through your operating system or the manufacturer's website. Keeping drivers up to date can help maintain a stable and fast connection. Some ISPs may intentionally slow down your connection for certain types of traffic, a practice known as throttling. This can happen if you use a lot of data or access specific services. If you suspect throttling, contact your provider or consider using a VPN to see if your speeds improve. The Domain Name System, or DNS, translates website names into IP addresses. Sometimes, your ISP's default DNS servers are slow or unreliable. Switching to a public DNS service like Google DNS or Cloudflare can speed up your browsing and improve reliability. If your internet is only slow on one device, the problem might be with that device rather than your network. Try connecting with another phone, tablet, or computer to see if the speed improves. If it does, focus your troubleshooting on the affected device. Using a VPN can sometimes slow down your internet, especially if the VPN server is far away or overloaded. Try disconnecting from the VPN and testing your speed again. If your connection improves, consider switching to a different VPN server or provider. Sometimes, your web browser can be the source of slow internet. Too many open tabs, outdated extensions, or a cluttered cache can all affect performance. Try clearing your browser's cache, disabling unnecessary extensions, or switching to a different browser to see if your speed improves. Outdated operating systems or apps can sometimes cause connectivity issues. Make sure your devices are running the latest software updates. This can resolve bugs, improve compatibility, and help maintain a stable internet connection. Routers and modems can overheat if they're placed in enclosed spaces or covered by objects. Overheating can cause slowdowns or even temporary outages. Make sure your equipment has plenty of ventilation and isn't blocked by furniture or other items. If you use DSL internet, splitters and filters are used to separate phone and internet signals. Faulty or old splitters can cause slow speeds or dropped connections. Try replacing them or removing unnecessary ones to see if your speed improves. Physical damage to your cables, router, or modem can cause connectivity issues. Inspect all equipment for signs of wear, cracks, or other damage. If you find anything suspicious, replacing the damaged part can often restore your internet speed. If you've tried all the troubleshooting steps and your internet is still slow, it's time to contact your ISP. Provide them with details about your speed tests and the steps you've taken. They may be able to identify issues on their end or send a technician to help. Sometimes, network issues are complex and require a professional touch. If you're not comfortable troubleshooting on your own, or if the problem persists, consider hiring a network technician. They can diagnose and fix issues that might be difficult to spot without specialized tools. If your router or modem is several years old, upgrading to a newer model can provide better speeds, improved range, and enhanced security. Look for devices that support the latest Wi-Fi standards for the best performance. For larger homes or spaces with many obstacles, a mesh Wi-Fi system can provide seamless coverage and faster speeds. Mesh systems use multiple devices to create a single, strong network throughout your home, eliminating dead zones and improving reliability. Powerline adapters use your home's electrical wiring to extend your network to hard-to-reach areas. They're a great solution if running Ethernet cables isn't practical. Just plug one adapter into a wall outlet near your router and another near your device for a fast, stable connection. Regularly monitoring your network can help you spot issues before they become major problems. Many routers offer built-in tools to track connected devices, bandwidth usage, and signal strength. Use these features to keep your network running smoothly. Everyone in your home plays a role in maintaining good internet speeds. Teach family members about bandwidth-heavy activities and encourage them to limit streaming or large downloads during important work or school hours. Good communication can help everyone get the most out of your connection. Internet technology is always evolving. Stay up to date with the latest advancements, security practices, and tips for optimizing your home network. Being informed helps you make better decisions and keep your internet running at its best. Let's quickly recap the main solutions for fixing slow internet. Test your speed, check your equipment, reduce interference, limit bandwidth-heavy activities, secure your network, and contact your ISP if needed. With these steps, you can tackle most common internet speed problems and enjoy a smoother online experience. Slow internet can be incredibly frustrating, but with the right knowledge and a few simple steps, you can often solve the problem yourself. Remember to stay patient, follow the troubleshooting process, and don't hesitate to seek professional help if needed. Thanks for watching, and here's to faster, more reliable internet for everyone.